Welcome to this video on making suggestions. In this video, you will learn how to make suggestions with let's and why don't. First, we will look at let's and why don't we. Then we will look at why don't you. Let's and why don't we. Let's and why don't we are used to make suggestions about activities for you and another person to do. For example, I'm hungry, let's order a pizza. Good idea, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry. Me too, why don't we order a pizza? Good idea. Let's order a pizza and why don't we order a pizza have the same meaning. Note that let's is a contraction of let us. Here are some more examples of how to make suggestions with let's and why don't we. What should we do tonight? Let's go see a movie. Who is going to babysit the kids? Why don't we ask Alice? What time should we start the meeting? Let's start at 9 a.m. Where should we go for lunch? Why don't we try that new Greek restaurant? Why don't you? Why don't you is used to make a friendly suggestion or to give friendly advice. Here are some examples. I'm feeling stressed out. Why don't you take a vacation? I'm cold. Why don't you put on a sweater? I'm bored with my exercise routine at the gym. Why don't you try some outdoor activities? That's all for now. In this video, you learned how to make suggestions with let's and why don't. We saw that let's and why don't we are used to make suggestions about activities for you and another person to do. We saw that why don't you is used to make friendly suggestions or to give friendly advice. Thanks for watching.